Welcome to Picaboo.com, your one-stop shop for customizable photo books, posters, cards, calendars, and so much more. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make your very own photo book. If you already have an account on our website, a dashboard will appear with your previous projects and an option to create a new project. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one in the top right-hand corner. Let's start a new project. Here you can find templates for our most popular products to help you get a head start. We'll choose a classic photo book for this tutorial. First up, choose your size. Next, you can start with a blank photo book or choose a theme to help place your photos. I'm creating a travel book, so I'll choose between the travel themes. Now let's name our project. From here on, your project will be saved in your account. Let's upload our photos. There are many places you can upload photos right into Picaboo's website. Once you've uploaded your photos, a prompt will appear to autofill your photos into your book to save time. You do have the option to place them in manually as well. Let's choose autofill and see how this looks. Once the photos have been uploaded into the book, you can flick through the pages and edit anything you like. If you remove a photo, you can add in another or choose to have the layout automatically adjusted. Now let's add some text to the front of our photo book. You can do so by clicking Add Text in the left-hand corner. Place your text where you like and adjust the font, size, and color. Now you can preview your photo book. A very important last step to make sure there are no errors before adding your project to cart. Once you're happy with your photo book, click Order. Another prompt will appear double-checking that everything looks correct. You can change your photo book size here. As well, if you want your book to be hardcover, softcover, and lay flat. This page will include prices for each photo book so there are no surprises at the cart. Click Add to Cart and you are finished. Congrats on making your first photo book. You'll receive an email from Picaboo shortly detailing your order and shipping time. Thanks for stopping by Picaboo.com.